Imagine a world where the games you play are created as you play them. No fixed paths, no scripted dialogues, just pure reactive storytelling. All thanks to AI. From smarter enemies to unique missions you've never seen before, the future of gaming might just be unpredictable. Dramatic pause. Welcome to the cutting edge of game design, where artificial intelligence is reshaping the very fabric of our virtual worlds. I'm Alex, and today we're diving deep into the realm where code meets creativity, where algorithms birth adventures, and where the line between player and creator begins to blur. A visual montage of various game environments morphing and changing. Let's start with the foundation of any great game, the world itself. Imagine stepping into a game where every hill, every building, every blade of grass is unique, not just to the game, but to your specific playthrough. This isn't science fiction, it's the power of AI-driven procedural generation. Visual split screen showing traditional game map versus AI-generated landscape. Gone are the days of handcrafted levels that players memorize after a few runs. Now, AI can create entire worlds on the fly, ensuring that no two players will ever have the exact same experience. But it doesn't stop there. What about the stories we experience in these worlds? Pause for effect. Picture this. You're on a quest, but instead of following a predetermined path, the game's AI is crafting the story around your choices in real time. That side character, you say, they might become a crucial ally in your unique narrative. The village you chose to bypass, it could be the key to an entirely different ending that no other player will ever see. Visual flowchart showing branching storylines. This is the power of AI in storytelling. It's not just about generating text, it's about understanding context, player preferences, and creating coherent, engaging narratives that adapt on the fly. But what good is a dynamic world and story if the challenge isn't tailored to you? Transition to gameplay footage. Enter AI-driven difficulty adjustment. Remember those games where you'd hit a wall of frustration or breeze through without breaking a sweat? Those days are numbered. Modern AI can analyze your playstyle, your skills, even your emotional state, adjusting the game's challenge in real time to keep you in that sweet spot of engagement. Our visual graph showing player skill versus game difficulty with AI adjusting the curve. Struggling with that boss fight? The AI might subtly reduce its health or telegraph its moves more clearly, breezing through levels. Watch as enemies become smarter, puzzles more complex, and resources more scarce, all tailored to push you to your limits without pushing you away. But let's zoom in even closer. What about the characters that populate these worlds? Close-up shot of various NPC faces. Non-player characters or NPCs have long been the heart of immersive gaming experiences. But how many times have you been pulled out of the moment by robotic dialogue or predictable behavior? AI is changing this too. Imagine NPCs that truly learn from your interactions. A shopkeeper who remembers your preferences and stocks items accordingly. A villain who adapts their strategy based on your previous encounters. Or a companion whose personality evolves based on your shared adventures. Visual demonstration of NPC reacting differently to various player choices. This level of responsiveness creates a world that feels alive, where every interaction matters and where the boundaries between scripted content and emergent gameplay begin to dissolve. But what does all this mean for the future of game design? Transition to behind-the-scenes footage of game development. We're entering an era of co-creation where human developers work hand in hand with AI to push the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a game designer sketching out a rough concept and an AI expanding it into a fully realized world, complete with its own history, cultures, and ecosystems. Visual time-lapse of a game world being built from a simple sketch. This partnership doesn't just enhance creativity, it revolutionizes the development process itself. Tasks that once took months can now be accomplished in days or even hours. Writer's block? Let AI generate 100 quest ideas in seconds. Stuck on level design? AI can propose layouts based on successful patterns from other games. Pause for reflection. But as we stand on the brink of this new frontier, we must ask ourselves, what are the implications? Can AI-generated content truly capture the soul of human creativity? Or will it open doors to new forms of expression we've yet to imagine? visual split screen of human artists and AI-generated art. There are ethical considerations too. As games become more personalized and adaptive, how do we ensure fair play? How do we prevent AI from exploiting human psychology too effectively? And who owns the rights to an AI-generated story or character? These are questions we'll need to grapple with as we move forward. But one thing is certain, the fusion of AI and game design is not just changing how we play games, it's redefining what a game can be. Final montage of futuristic game concepts. As we look to the horizon, we see a landscape of infinite possibilities. Games that grow and evolve with their communities. Virtual worlds as complex and unpredictable as our own. And experiences that blur the line between player and creator in ways we are only beginning to imagine. The future of gaming is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to play? Fade to black. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the AI-driven future of game design. If you're as excited about this as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our digital worlds. And hey, leave a comment below. What AI feature would you most want to see in your favorite game? Until next time, keep playing, keep dreaming, and remember, in the world of AI and gaming, the only limit is our imagination. Thanks for watching.